What's up guys? Welcome back to my uncle's channel. Today we are going to be fixing his car. And we can't wait! And let's get started. For our first step, I'm going to use this tool to take off the first thing is right here. I don't know how to do it. I can. I can't. Thing.
And that tool's called a ratchet.
Rich. It's like rich. Get it.
Some people call it a soccer wrench.
Oh.
There you go.
Use this, look, right here.
So pull it out.
Yeah, just push it in and just...
No, just take out the whole thing.
Yeah.
One, action. Bam.
We are going to put these things on this.
Alright.
I'm going to put this into that. Right. And make this side connect to this. Now my brother's gonna have a turn timing it. Hey! Now let's do it. All tight. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. Subscribe. Stay safe. Peace.